guys, and welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are shopping at Burlington. They have a lot of Arabic perfumes in stores. I went to like 3 different stores to see what new stuff they have. I found Arabic perfumes at all of my stores. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you want them, definitely check out your Burlington stores. And also I found some new makeup as well. Not a lot of new finds, but a decent amount of new stuff. And I tested few Arabic perfumes at stores as well. Not the perfumes, they have fragrance mist as well, which were opened and not in the box. So I thought I would test them out because you never see testers anywhere. So I'll let you guys know as well which ones are good. So yeah, let's begin. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you do, please thumbs up the video, and please you guys consider on subscribing and be the part of my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. It really helps a lot in case you are not already. But for now, let's begin. Right on display, they had these cute Valentine's Day stuff out. I thought I would show you guys a little bit. So they had this oversized plush printed throw for Juicy Couture in 2 different colors for 15 each. Also, they had this one there as well, which is so cute with cherry print. I love cherry print stuff. This one was running for only $10. Then they also had this one there as well, which was going for 10 as well. And then this one as well. This one is for brand Betsy Johnson, was going for only $11. Then I also found these cute table mats as well for $9.99 each. They also had this cute stitch tablecloth as well, which is so cute. And this one was going for only $7.99. Also, they had these cute kitchen towels, set of 2, was going for $5.99 each. They had 3 different prints to choose from. I also found this cute wall art there, was going for only $7.99. Then right next to it, they had this one there as well for $24.99. And then I also found these cute Valentine's Day pillows as well. Super cute. Was going for $12.99. They also had these fun ones as well, which those were going for $15 each. I also found some cute new jewelry pieces. This set is for brand Guess, comes with studs and necklace for $10. Then these Juicy Couture ones as well. This set of bracelet was going for $8.99. Then they also had this cute necklace as well for them for $9 as well. For Guess, they had this set there. You get this necklace and studs for $10. Then this one for Steve Madden, which is new at stores. This set was going for $15. You get studs and also this necklace. They also had the color silver as well for this, if you guys like the silver. Then they had this set on markdown there. Super cute cross sign set for $5.59. They also had this Steve Madden earrings new there for Valentine's Day. So cute, was going for $7.99. Also, they had this one there as well for $7. They also had this Forever 21 little stud set there for Valentine's Day, which this one was going for $5.99. I also found this new there for Hello Kitty at Burlington. You get this cute necklace and comes with this little bag as well for $15. They also had these alphabets necklace there as well, which I absolutely love. So cute. For only $10. I love finding jewelry at Burlington. They have the best price tags out of all discount stores. I also found this salicylic acid cleanser new there for the Inky list for $5. Also this Real Techniques gift set. You get 4 brushes in this and comes with this little brush holder. This Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette was on clearance this time for only $5. Then they also had this elf good vibes only brush set new there as well at Burlington. You get 3 brushes for $3.99. For Lancome, they had this full size of toner there for only $15. Also, they had this Clinique My Happy Cookies and Kisses perfume there for $20. And this eyeshadow palette for Tarte, I found more of these at Burlington. Tartlet Energy eyeshadow palette for $20. They also had this Plum Beauty Auto Blend makeup brush new there, which looks quite nice and was going for only 5. I thought it was a very good price for this. They also had this Milani Gilded Gold eyeshadow palette new there. A bunch of these were in stock at Burlington. Looks like this on the inside. I thought this palette is so beautiful and I love this drugstore brand Milani. Was going for $9. Also for them they had this Ungilded Most Loved Mattes eyeshadow palette there as well. You get all of these beautiful matte eyeshadows in this. Was going for 9. They also had Profusion Sparkle 9 shade eyeshadow palette new there. If you like this brand, comes with a mirror and was going for $6. For the inky list they had this Invisible Pimple Patches new there. You get 22 patches in this, and this set was going for only 4. They also had this Hey Vic Hey eyeshadow palette for LA girls on markdown this time for $4.29. For beauty creations, they had this Plump and Pout 3 plumping booster set new there at Burlington. They had a bunch of these in stock. You get these 3 different shades, Legally Hot, Pink Lemonade and Mystery. And I found these Maybelline BB Fresh BB creams in the shade 140 for $3.99. For Real Techniques, they had this limited edition brush set new there. You get a shadow brush and also eyebrow brush for $4.99. Then they had this Ramp Beauty set new there. I don't know this brand, but you get these 5 brushes for only $5.99. I thought it was a good price. For e.l.f., they had this beauty sponge in stock for $3. Then I also found this eyeliner gift set, which looked really nice. It comes with sharpeners as well. I don't know this brand, but was going for only $5. They also had this Real Techniques gift set there. You get sponge and also sponge case for $6. For LA Colors, they had this lip gloss set new there. You get looks like 6 different lip glosses in this, and this set was going for $5.99. Sorry, for $5. Also, they had this lip oil trio there as well. You get 3 different flavors: coconut, strawberry, and watermelon in this, and this set was going for only $3. I also found this Esfolio Lifting Care Eye Cream new there for $5.99, and here is the expiration date. For beauty creations, they had this Nude X Nude Desire eyeshadow palette new there, which is right here on the inside. They had a bunch of these in stock at Burlington, was going for $8. They also had these Pinch of Sweetness pH lip oils set new there for beauty creations as well. For $7.99, you get 3 full sizes. For Believe, they had this Aqua Bomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer for $7.99. They also had these Vitamin C Brightening Smoothing Body Oil. It's a Korean brand. The packaging is so cute, was going for $6 each. Now for new perfume finds, they had a bunch of these Arabic perfume mist there. This is for brand Yara. This pink packaging one is quite popular for $7. Then they had this Latafa brand there as well. And also this one Ajwad. A lot of new brands which I have not heard of before. They also had Yara in a yellow packaging as well, and also this Amirat Al Arab as well, which was going for only $6. And then also this one as well, Mohra, for only $6.99. They also had this Khamra one as well and Asad as well, which were locked up there. Looks like for men. So you guys, after smelling all of the fragrance mist, these are the 4 different ones that I really liked. Some of those were extremely strong and gives you headaches, but these are very wearable and so smooth and light and beautiful. And for $7, I think they are really very nice. The Yara fragrance brand looks like a very good brand for Arabic perfumes because their fragrances are pretty good. These both are really nice. Then they also had this brand Hayati, which also is very light floral scent, and then this Monori and Glory is also pretty good. I would definitely recommend for $7. Then they had this New to Me brand there. They make a lot of dupe fragrances I see online. So this one is Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe for only $13. Then they also had this Beauty Chanel, I hope I'm saying that right, dupe fragrance as well for $13. And also they had this J Adore Dior fragrance dupe as well for $13. Then I also found these perfumes as well for Arabic brand, which were locked packed up. So this one is wood intense. I feel like their wood intense perfumes are not wearable at all, but this Yara one, which with the matching mist, is pretty good if you like citrusy scents. And then also this Yara pink one was there as well, which is my absolutely favorite out of all Arabic perfumes. They also had Yara Moi, which comes in white packaging. I was not able to smell it, but this also looks like a good fragrance. Also in this section I found this Cinderella gift set. You get bath bomb and comes with bath sugar scrub as well, vanilla scented, and this set was going for 7.99. And for Juicy Couture they had this perfume in stock for $15. Then this classified white tobacco perfume, which is inspired by Tom Ford, for $13. Also this one as well. This is inspired by Le Labo, which is a very expensive brand. They also had Pink's Jean Marc Paris perfume new there for $13. Then for Arabic brand, they had this one there as well for $20. Also for Arabic brand, they had this one there as well. This also looks like very intense fragrance, which I really don't like from them. They also had this one there as well for Arabic brand for 16.99. I don't see any fragrance notes on them, which is quite disappointing. They also had this one there as well for fragrance mist for Arabic brand for 6.99. Then this sexy black vanilla spice Jean Marc Paris for men perfume was new there for $13. They also had Honest Face Plus body lotions new there for 4.99. And for the inky list, they had this PHA exfoliating and hydrating body water cream new there, which was going for 4.99. I also found these new gray Snickers there for Skechers. I thought those were so affordable for only $30. Then these are for $40 for Skechers as well. I love their footwear, super comfortable. Now for new handbags, they had this gorgeous Guess bag there. I was in love with this print. Looks very expensive. Was going for $35. They also had this as an option as well. And this is a leather Guess bag. Was going for 35. Then for Steve Madden, they had this one there for 27.99. And they also had this one there for Juicy for Valentine's Day for 28. Then for Juicy they had this blue one, which I have never seen before, for 28 as well. I like this blue color. They also had this one there for Aldo for 27.99. Bags like these goes for $35 at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They also had this see-through one for the Betsy Johnson. Cute little crossbody bag, and this one was running for 23. Then also for Juicy they had this one new there for Valentine's Day for 25.